Autumn Term 4, Question 4b. We're now talking about the total number of vehicles. It's still 1 minute, and the number of cars plus vans has a Poisson distribution with mean 12. And we want to say what's the probability that C plus V equals 15. So it's Poisson PD with X is 15, lambda is 12. And if you put that in your calculator, you should get the answer 0.0724. When it comes to part C, we're still talking about 1 minute and we're still talking about cars. So we're talking about mean 10. It says more than 8 cars. So you can work that out by saying 1 minus probability C is less than or equal to 8. And if you work that out on your calculator, you get 1 minus 0.3328, which is 0.6672. But then you say that's got to happen in 3 minutes out of 5, so it's now a binomial distribution where n is 5 and p is 0.6672, and the probability that x equals 3 can be found out using Poisson PD, and it comes to 0.329. When it comes to part D, during lockdown, more than 4 cars pass under the bridge in a minute. So we're still talking about cars in 1 minute, and if nothing's changed, lambda is still 10. Lower than usual, that means h1 lambda is less than 10. We need to find the probability that x is less than or equal to 4, and that comes to 0.029. We're using a 5% significance level, so we compare it to 0.05 and it's less than. We reject h0, and therefore we conclude it is lower during lockdown.